ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. Myself M. H. Tugji, HOD, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, SJPN Trust, Polytechnic, Nidsoshi. Second semester Electronics and Communication Engineering course Basics of Semiconductor Devices. Unit 3 Field Effect Transistor. Now we are discussing about the question bank questions along with answers. Question number 15. List the features of CMOS. Now we are discussing about the features of CMOS. CMOS stands for complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It is a technology used to produce integrated circuits. Integrated on one silicon chip, the CMOS chip consists of a combination of P-type and N-type metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor or MOSFETs. In CMOS technology, both P-type and N-type transistors are used to design logic functions. The same signal which turns on a transistor of one type is used to turn off a transistor of the other type. CMOS are low static electrical power consumption and resistance to high levels of electronic noise. CMOS offers relatively high speed, low power dissipation, high noise margins in both states, and will operate over a wide range of source and input voltages. The CMOS is reset and loses all custom settings in case the battery runs out of energy. Additionally, the system clock resets when the CMOS loses power. Question number 16. Sketch the symbols of JFET, MOSFET and CMOS. Figure shows the symbol of JFET. In the figure, P channel JFET and N channel JFET. Symbol of MOSFET, that is depletion MOSFET. The figure shows the N channel DMOSFET and P channel DMOSFET. A symbol of enhancement MOSFET. The figure shows the N channel enhancement MOSFET, P channel enhancement MOSFET. A symbol of CMOS. Question number 17. JFET is a voltage controlled device. Justify. JFET is a voltage controlled device because input signal is applied at reverse biased PN junction, that is gate to source, which allows only leakage current. Input bias current is negligible. Voltage has the dominating effect, that is it has very high impedance of 100 mega ohms. Output current flows from source to drain, varying the gate voltage controls the drain current. Question number 18. Sketch and discuss the drain characteristics or output characteristics of N channel JFET. Figure shows the N channel JFET. Figure shows the The drain characteristics of N-channel JFET. Figure shows the drain VI characteristics of N-channel JFET. The curves represent between the drain current ID along y-axis and drain to source voltage VDS along x-axis for different values of gate to source voltages VGS. When the voltage VDS is increased from 0 volt to few volts, the current ID will increase proportionally as per Ohm's law. It means that JFET behaves like an ordinary resistor and the region is called ohmic region. As the voltage VDS is increased further and approaches a level referred as VP as shown in figure, the depletion region will increase and channel width decreases. This reduced channel width increases the resistance to the electron flow and curve becomes flat. The VDS above which ID becomes constant is known as pinch off voltage VPO. After pinch off voltage, the channel width becomes so narrow that depletion layers almost touch each other. The drain current passes through the small passage between these layers. Therefore, increase in drain current is very small with VDS above pinch off voltage. So, drain current remains constant. From the VI characteristics curve, it is clear that increasing voltage VDS make JFET to behave like a resistor, that is ohmic region, and then as constant, that is saturation current source, and finally enters into breakdown region. Question number 19. Explain the concept of field effect and analyze how it controls current in JFET. Figure shows the N-channel JFET. The name field effect is derived from the fact that output current flow is controlled by an electric field set up in the device by an externally applied voltage between gate and source terminals. When a voltage VDS is applied between drain and source terminals and voltage on the gate VGS is 0, the two PN junctions at the sides of the bar establish depletion layers. The electrons will flow from source to drain through a channel between the depletion layers. The size of these layers determines the width of the channel and hence current conduction through the bar. When the reverse voltage VGS is applied between gate and source, the width of depletion layers is increased. This reduces the width of conducting channel, thereby increasing the resistance of N-type bar. So, current from source to drain is decreased. On the other hand, if the reverse voltage on the gate is decreased, the width of depletion layers also decreases. Question number 20. List the advantages of JFET over BJT. Now we are discussing about the advantages of JFET over BJT. High input impedance, temperature stable than BJT, smaller than BJT, can be fabricated with fewer processing. BJT is bipolar, conduction both hole and electron. FET is unipolar, uses only one type of current carrier, less noise compared to BJT, usually used as logic switch. Thank you.